Red onion and honey recipe. Chewing method. Have you heard about the traditional remedy of mixing and chewing red onion with natural honey? Onion honey pot. It might sound unusual, but the sexual health benefits are backed by powerful micronutrients. In this video, we explore how chewing this mixture thoroughly allows your body to absorb vital nutrients like zinc, quercetin, and natural enzymes that directly impact your energy, libido, and hormonal health. Pushpin what you'll learn in this video. Why chewing raw red onion with honey alters its absorption. How honey provides instant energy reserves to increase physical endurance. The role of zinc and antioxidants in supporting reproductive wellness and drive. Warning disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Hashtag onion and honey, hashtag natural aphrodisiac, hashtag stamina remedies, hashtag hormone balance, hashtag home remedies, hashtag healthy drive.